I'm a business lawyer and a negotiation consultant. I grew up in Tiffin, Ohio. And the thing that I really appreciated about Tiffin was its diversity.
I want to start off with a quote. It doesn't make sense to try and make a point if the person isn't in a mental state that is capable of receiving it. So I want you to reorient your mind in that regard so you can start moving towards these difficult conversations.
But this came with a price. I became deathly afraid of saying or doing something that could potentially jeopardize the relationships that I worked so hard to create.
As animals, as humans, what we do is when we're entering a new situation, we're constantly asking ourselves, are we going to approach this or are we going to avoid it?
I forced myself to have the difficult conversations that I spent my whole life trying to avoid. So I'll leave you with this. Conflict is an opportunity.